Hi, in this video I'm going to teach you how to get started with the test automation on Android using M-eux Test. So first of all, there are a couple of things you will have to install beforehand. The first one is of course the M-eux Test. The software is called M-eux Device Manager. There is another video already teach you how to install it step by step. I will put the link below so you can check it there before you check this video. Okay, and then the second thing is you will need Android SDK. This one it can be easily downloaded from Google, and it is free. So on Google Chrome you can search for Android SDK. So there it is, and then you basically the first link it will take you there for Android developers. Android SDK. You download the SDK ADT bundle, and you will have to accept something, and then we recommend you use 32-bit software, although if you are using 34-bit Windows machine, because 32 bits are fully tested by us. So I would recommend you use this one, and then you download. So right now it is downloading, but I'm going to stop here because I already have it on my download folder. So if I go to download, I can search for Android, and then this is basically ADB bundle. If I open it up, I have to wait. So there it is. You will see this ADB SDK Manager.exe. You will have to open it up. Yeah, I will have to extract it, of course. Yeah, no. Okay, there it is. So you will have to open up SDK Manager, and then it will show you what kind of packages can be downloaded, because this one only downloads a small part of Android SDK. So we'll wait until the is it up? Yes, it is coming. But for some of the software, for some of you, if you are using the M-eux Test before 2268 2269, if you're using this one before this version, you will have to make sure you have SDK Manager.exe under. So I show you under this SDK. So you will have to copy SDK Manager here, and also you will have to copy this AVD Manager right under the SDK folder, because M-eux Test will check those two files if they are right under SDK. But if you are using newer version, it doesn't matter. So where's my SDK Manager? Why it doesn't come up? Let's see if okay, now it's already coming up. So it is already trying to download some packages. So first thing, you will have to check which Android device you want to test. So if you go to your Android device, let me show you one of my Android device, and then I'll show you from the screen, remote device screen. And I'm gonna use my remote device manager to use the remote device screen, so I can show you exactly where to find out which version of Android you are using. So right now I will have to of course I use another one. So there it is. I will wait. So my device is already connected right now using USB ADB. I will give more information about this M-eux Device Manager later on. Right now, the only thing I want to show you is how to check the Android device version. I'm going to use 50%. You will have to go to settings. So the settings can be found in the application down here. If you this is the settings. This one. And you'll have to go down, and then there is a about phone. You click on it, and it will show you which version of Android. This one is dot 4.2.1. So you will have to install 4.2 because they are both API 17. If you are using other, sorry, if you are using other version of Android, you will have to download the package. So now it's not installed, but you will have to install the correct um, version of your Android device. But for me, I will recommend that you install all of the packages because you never know in the future which devices you are going to use. This one, you can also use it for USB driver because uh, some drivers are needed for ADB command, and this one you will also need it. It's installed already. The SDK platform tools because the ADB.exe is under this folder. Okay, and then you install all the packages. But I am not going to install here because I already installed it under my. I already installed it on my PC. So that is I put it under C tools, Android SDK. So those after installation, those folders should be appearing under your SDK folder. And if you go to platforms, those are the platforms. Those are API version, and for API, every API version there is a corresponding Android version. You can check that up on Google, and those are the platforms you already installed. For me, I installed basically everything, and under this platform tools, you will find this adb.exe. We will use quite a lot adb command in the future. Okay, so right now, those are basically the prerequisites or something. The pre things you will have to install before you get started with Android. And I'm going to stop right here because I want you to I don't want to give you much information at one time. So I'll see you next video. Next video we will start with connecting the device on the PC already. Okay.